Guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about My Legion Secret. This is going to give you an overview. I'm going to share with you some tips and strategies, but I'm also going to share with you some thoughts about My Legion Secrets that I think are important. So I'm going to hop on my laptop and share with you more. Hey guys, welcome back. And as I mentioned, I'm going to be talking about My Legion Secrets. But before I get into it, I do want to mention to you that every 3 times a week, I post videos on this channel. This channel was created all to help you pave the way for your dreams to come true with tips and strategies in affiliate marketing, trading, and so much more. So if you're interested in anything, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for these videos that I post every single week. You will get 3 videos a week, guys. That's what I'm committing to you guys. That's what I have been doing for a long time, and I hope to continue to do it for a longer time as well. But part of this whole journey is that I've had my ups and I've had my downs with affiliate marketing and everything else, but I'm sharing with you a strategy, a 2-step strategy that I follow, which is step 1 and step 2. First step is creating a cash flow, and the second step is building a long-term business with affiliate marketing. The links to that, the resources to that are in the description of this video. Added to which I've also have 2 playlists. One is going to give you the training on My Legion Secrets, and the second is going to be giving you the training to how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So check those playlists out if it's something that's worth it for you. And let's go ahead and talk about it. So this is my strategy that I follow. And as you can see in step 1, which is the cash flow strategy, My Legion Secrets is the only traffic source that I'm using. So without My Legion Secrets, this whole structure mine does not work. What is My Legion Secrets? Let's go ahead and actually share with you before I get into the main topic about multiple accounts, creating multiple accounts. My thoughts about this, whether it is for you or not, let's think about it. Okay, so basically let's do that thought process together. I know that a lot of people who do come to this channel and do watch this video specifically on Mondays that I post are members of My Legion Secrets, and also new people who are looking to think whether this is something that's worth it for them. So for me personally, let me just talk to you about some results. Using this product, I basically am making sales every single week. Now, those are my results. I cannot guarantee you the same results. It does matter what actions you take. It does matter the effort and the actions that you take in order for you to get those kind of results. Some people get a sale every day. Some people get a sale every 2 days. Some people get a sale every week like myself, or once a month. It really depends on you more than anything else, what effort you're putting into it and what you have under your control. And what you have under your control is the problems that, in my opinion, My Legion Secret solves. There are 2 main problems that My Legion Secret solves in affiliate marketing. The first is, as an affiliate marketer, you have to learn how to advertise. Learning how to advertise can take time, can take effort. For somebody like me who has a full-time job, I pretty much rely on My Legion Secrets because they provide me 100 leads every single day. I don't have to go and look out for those 100 leads. I don't have to do, any actions related to them. They just fill my account with 100 leads every single day. How do they do that? They have vendors. They have 10 vendors that they work with that provide them these leads, and they basically are getting into co-op, which is with us, and we can send an email out to those leads. So that's personally how I get access to 100 leads every single day. 100 to 200 leads. It depends on your account, but 100 to 200 leads every single day. And that means 3,000 leads a month. It's amazing to have a platform to advertise to 3,000 people every single month, new people every single month. So that's the first thing that My Legion Secrets solves, and that's the product that they're giving you. So you pay for it. It is a paid product. You pay for it. You get 100 leads every day. They do not promise anything else, just that. Obviously, the second skill set in affiliate marketing that I think is very important is copywriting or email marketing as well, which also My Legion Secrets is a platform where you can practice that, get better at that, use the strategies that I share in the playlist below to improve your email marketing skill sets. So that's the second thing that is giving to you. And your job is basically to write better emails so that you get those sales. They're giving you, you're paying to get 100 leads, 100 to 200 leads. Then you write your emails. That's the only effort that you take. You write your emails to get a know and like trust factor, basically a trust building relationship with your leads, and then convert them into sales. But you cannot guarantee that they're going to be converted into sales, just to let you know. So that is My Legion Secrets as a whole. How much does it cost? My Legion Secrets costs the first month $60. And if you decide to continue to use it, then it costs $30 after every single month. So it will cost you a one-time of $60 to get started, and then $30 every single month if you want to keep the service that they're giving you. Everything else is shared on this link in the description below, which will take you to this page. You can see the results. You can see the whole compensation plan. I'm not going to get into it in this video, but you can see everything on this page. So it's going to be linked in the description. let's go ahead and actually talk about multiple accounts. So with My Legion Secrets, as I said, you're getting 100 to 200 leads every day. They also allow you to create multiple accounts. You need to have different, I think if I'm not mistaken, I don't know the process because I have not decided to get multiple accounts. But if you do decide to get multiple accounts, I believe that there is a process that you need to follow to link all of them together. But you sign up under your affiliate link basically. So when you join My Legion Secrets, you go here, you take this link that you see right here, you join and sign up a new account under that, and you can create, basically stack those accounts and have multiple accounts. Now, many people have 5 accounts, 6 accounts, and so on and so forth. I've seen a lot of people doing that. But when I got started with My Legion Secrets, when I looked into My Legion Secrets, I said, why should I have multiple accounts? Why it doesn't make sense creating multiple accounts? So the purpose of multiple accounts, I would say, is only if you know what you're doing in terms of email marketing. If you know how to convert your emails, if you already are getting significant results, then you need to see whether it doesn't make sense to invest into a second account or a third account. So what I decided is, I'm basically going to be buying 100 leads every single day. So spending $1 a day and getting those 100 leads every day. I'm going to send an email out to them. And my aim for that is to generate a consistent cash flow. That is the aim of this. Now, if I'm getting a consistent cash flow there and I want to increase the cash flow and it's above the $60 or $30, sorry, that I'm paying every single month, then I will think of getting another account. But if I'm not generating that income, then I'm not going to get another account. That's just how it is. Why am I putting this pressure on myself? Because it's up to me to then decide how many accounts should I have. Now, for example, if I want to make $1,000 a month, with just this strategy of My Legion Secrets on offer, I can, because right now I'm making and this is just some for transparency, right? With My Legion Secrets, I'm making around $200 every single month to my offer. So I'm already making $200 a month on that, which means a profit of $70. Okay, let's just put it this way. Profit of, sorry, not $70, $170. That's the profit that I'm earning from one account. So if I want to make $1,000 per month, okay, I just need to go 1,000 divided by 170, which means I will need 6 accounts. 6 accounts, okay, 6 accounts will cost me $30 every single month, will cost me 180. 180 minus, and I'm doing this math for you so that you see it, okay? So if I want to make $1,000 a month minus 180, it basically means I will make 820. So I need at least 6 to 7 accounts to be making $1,000 a month. But that means I will be spending, if let's say I go for 7, right? I will be spending 7 into 30. I would be spending 210 every single month. So can you spend 210 every single month to have those accounts set up for you? But if you don't have that, this becomes an expensive offer, right? This becomes an expensive thing to do. So you have to leverage or see what efforts. And this is why the mindset that I have is, I want to start off with one account. I want to use that one account for 1 year, see how I'm doing with that one account. And then after that 1 year, I'll make a decision whether I need another account, because it's still, with the second account, it's still going to take me around, let's say, a month, 2 months, maybe even 3 months before I actually start to get consistently and build up the momentum. So do I need a second account? Now, obviously, this is the mindset that I have, guys. You might have a different mindset. You might have a different financial situation. I do not propose spending all your money initially to get started. I am showing you a method, and the way that I do it has multiple benefits, in my opinion. For those who are looking at affiliate marketing for the long term, not for a quick buck, not for quick cash. This channel is not about quick cash. This is not about making instant commissions and that's it, and then leave it and then talk about money. No, this is about learning the skill set of email marketing, learning the skill set of affiliate marketing, which includes email marketing. Therefore, in my opinion, with just one account, and if you're able to make $200 a month, which I'm able to do right now, at least, then basically it is teaching you a few things. One is teaching you to be consistent with with email marketing, the first thing, because you have to wake up every single day and write an email every single day to be able to start to build momentum. So that's the first thing that you're doing. Learning and disciplining yourself to write an email every day and improving that email every day. Therefore, you're improving your skill set every single day with email marketing. That's the first thing. The second thing is it's giving you patience, because in marketing, you do need patience. Thirdly, You can see statistic knowledge because you are gaining that knowledge, looking at your open rates, looking at your numbers, you're looking at your email marketing. How do you improve your email marketing? You need to know your numbers. So it's allowing you to do that. And lastly, it's also allowing you to look at sales pages and much more with affiliate marketing, in my opinion, which are needed. And when you have multiple accounts, your focus, and this is what I've seen a lot of people do. And guys, I cannot mention to you how many people reach out to me personally on YouTube, on Facebook, everywhere, because I post in the Facebook group, and I'm going to show you guys this. But I post very regularly in the My Legion Secrets Facebook group that we have. And guys, once you do join, I will recommend you to join this group because I post regularly, and you can see I'm going to do this so you can see this. But I post pretty much every single week my results and everything else. There are people from this group who reach out to me. There are people on YouTube that reach out to me who ask regularly, what am I doing to get results? And they tell me that they have 5 accounts, 4 accounts, 6 accounts, 7 accounts, and they're not making the money that I'm making with just 1 account. I'm pausing there just to let you know that just 1 account can get you that much. So if I get 1 account that I'm getting $200, that means 5 accounts will get me $1,000 minus the amount that I'm paying for those finance accounts will get me my profit. That's just it. It's logic. So if you want to increase your cash flow, then you can do that. But you need to know that it's going to take you more time because you're implementing the strategy with 5 accounts, which means you're sending out emails to 5 accounts. And maybe all those 5 accounts, the leads need to get to know you. So you need to have this. I don't know how else to explain it, guys. If it's not working for 1 account, don't do it for the second account. Simple. If you have 5 accounts, and you're not getting it done, I would say fix the core element there. That's something that you're doing wrong with the results. Again, My Legion Secrets does not promise you results. My Legion Secrets, you're paying for a product. You're paying for those 100 to 200 leads. That is what you're paying for. You're not paying for making money. You're not paying for getting results. You're paying for those leads. The result part is all up to you. And you see that how I'm sharing this, guys, because I want it to become realistic for you as a long-term business strategy, right? So we're using My Legion Secrets. We're really using My Legion Secrets as a cash flow generating asset for us to then reinvest in our business. That's the strategy that I follow. I'm doing it with 1 account. If it makes sense for me, if I want to start buying now, let's say more traffic, then I can do it with 2 accounts. And then it might make sense for me to go to 3 accounts. I don't know. But for now, I don't need more than 1 account. I could get 2 accounts and make $400 every month. But do I want to spend $60 every single month to maintain those accounts? Right now, I don't need to. I don't want to. I don't need to. Why? Because I'm able to buy from my cash flow more traffic, and my aim is not for this. My aim is for my strategy on step 2 to work. So that is my goal over there. That doesn't mean that you are in a situation where you do not get multiple accounts. So I would say that with regards to this topic about creating multiple accounts, there are many benefits to it. From an income standpoint, yes, you can come to me and say, yes, you're saving money because you can see they have a level program. Yes, all those things are there, guys. I'm not doubting that. But I'm using the product for the product itself, right? So I'm going to be talking about this from a product perspective. And then there are other benefits. Definitely there are other benefits. That's really up to you whether you want to get started. But if your mindset is just on the money, then I'm telling you, no matter what you're doing when it comes to affiliate marketing, you are going to struggle. Because the moment you switch that mindset away from only, I want results, quick results, fast results, etc., and train yourself to have consistency in your actions, that's going to create a long-term, life-changing income for yourself with affiliate marketing. So that's how I'm pretty much looking at it. I hope you guys understand that these are just my opinions. I'm sharing it on this channel. It's My Legion Secrets is something that I love to use. No one can tell me that there are no buyers on My Legion Secrets. No one can tell me that this is not possible because, I mean, I have all the results over here for months documented. So no one can tell me besides that, okay? And whoever wants to say that it's a scam, these are sales not to My Legion Secrets, guys. These are sales to Warrior Plus, okay? These are sales to my Warrior Plus. I've made over 50 or 60 items sold on Warrior Plus just through 1 account on My Legion Secrets. So it's impossible for you to tell me that this is not, without any refunds, by the way, 0 refunds. So I know that this is effective with my marketing strategy. If you're interested, as I said, you can subscribe below, hit that bell notification. If you want to get My Legion Secrets, the link is in the description of this video, and definitely stay tuned for future videos because I love creating this content. I want to share my opinions. I want to be able to be proud of also seeing everybody go through this journey and become full-time affiliate marketers. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next video.